having installed and epoxied and riveted the rear bar, we're moving on to the front gusset cups. So we're doing all the gluing at once. We prepped these surfaces again with the roughening technique, and then also made sure it's the bottom surfaces, this surface here is clean, and I've bare metal I should say, and then we have I have sprayed them with brake cleaner, and done the same thing the underside of the gusset cups, roughened and sprayed with the brake cleaner, and now I'm going to apply the epoxy. So we're doing the same thing on the inside with the gusset cups. This is about the right amount of epoxy, if anyone wonders. Kind of something like that on both surfaces, and then my assistant here is going to brush this out. And when you brush it, it's really important to sort of really work it into the surface, not just sort of, you know, glaze it out. So the left side is buttoned up, epoxied, riveted. We brushed some excess epoxy around it. Before we button this one up, I just wanted to point out that it's a good practice to sort of tighten this a little bit finger tight, put the vertical rivets in, and then tighten it down to get these ones in, to get them in the right position. So you want to have all the rivets in the holes. Remember, we drilled this when we had tightened this bolt here, and now we tighten it a bit more, and then eventually use a tool before popping the rivets. One other thing I just realized, it's also worth pointing out: start with the middle rivets. I start with these, then go to these, and then do the outer ones.